Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI weeks that I use for work, and I'll be planning for the week of February 27th through to March 5th. Wow, March already. And I'll be using two different sticker collections from According to Ali, using Book Lover, and I'm going to pair it with Tea Time. And if you are interested in any of According to Ali's stickers, I do have an affiliate link, and if you use the code Karina10, you can get 10% off your order. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is actually take my Pens by Casey fountain pen, and it has Sailor Tinterias homemade tortilla, and I'm actually going to, do I really want to? Yes, I'm going to alternate it with a different fountain pen to add just a little bit of color, because there's so many beautiful colors in these kits. So don't let that one roll away. And then in my Benu Euphoria, this one has Ferris Wheel Press Storied Blue. So I think the two together will make a really nice combination with these stickers. And then going to, I know some of you are like, you draw a line without a ruler? Yes, yes I do. All right, so I'm also going to be using some of these washi. So I want to, I'm gonna use this. Come on, come on. Down at the bottom. Hopefully I don't smudge any of that. Perfect, and then I'm going to include this one right next to it, because I think they would go well together. Oh, how pretty. These are all just gorgeous. And I'm gonna put this one right up there. Then on this side, I'm gonna take this one. So I'm trying, there's a lot of colors in this, which normally for me, I like, you know, no more than 5 colors. I feel like this is a lot for me, but I think this will work out. I'm going to combine the hexagon washi, which is also from According to Ali, with this grid washi that I believe is from the washi tape shop. And I'm going to add, I'm going to take this one with the books. Don't mind covering the month. And then I'm gonna add, what's a good one to add? I like this one. Where do I want to add it? Just like that. And then I'm gonna add something down at the bottom here, which will be, I think I'm gonna combine this. Although the thing is, I don't want to use too much because I still want to leave some for my HOBONICHI cousin. All right, I'm going to take one of these little florals that are super cute, and just down here at the bottom, and combine it with, which one, guys? Which one do I want to use? I just really like that the way that it is. It's really, I keep saying it's really cute. It is. So let's actually just put this quote in. Just one more chapter. And I think I might just leave it like that. Very simple. I always do this with my HOBONICHI weeks, but very simple, not too much. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my meetings. So there is my overall spread for the week, and I really like it. It still leaves me plenty of room to write, and I still have enough room for all of my meetings and my to-do list, and I'm off on Fridays. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this very quick plan with me. Let me know in the comments below, do you find these helpful? Do you want me to keep continuing to do these as full videos, or would you rather see these as shorts? Let me know. I'm happy to do either, and it may free me up for a different video on Sundays, but we'll see. Just let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.